Okay, so let's get into it. So today I am reviewing this 13 by 4 lace frontal wig from Asteria Hair. This is their blonde highlighted lace frontal wig. Now as you can see here, the wig does not come with a pre-plucked hairline and the lace is a little too light for my skin. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix a basic lace frontal wig and make it look like, a bust down natural lace frontal wig. So anyways, I'm gonna start with just parting on this wig. So again, you get 13 inches of lace from ear to ear, and then you get 4 inches of parting space. So here I'm just showing you girls what the parting space looks like, and I'm just going to do a middle part with this wig. Now even though the hairline on this wig does not come pre-plucked, I love that the middle part or the parting on this wig is super clean to the point where I don't have to worry about going in and plucking the actual part. So here I am going to be using some Got To Be Glue holding spray just to help melt the lace into the skin because it does not match my skin tone. So this type of product definitely helps with blending in the lace. So as I'm looking at my part, I'm noticing that I want my part to be a little wider in the middle of this wig. So that's why I'm going in with the tweezers, but this is totally optional. Again, I just wanted my part to be a little wider than what I was getting at first. So now I'm going in just trying to tint the lace and make it a little darker so that it blends into the skin a little bit better. So I was able to get the front of the lace to blend, but not too much on the side. So what I'm going to do here is add some baby hairs, and that will definitely hide the lace that is too light for my skin tone. And then because this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, I am going into the hairline and plucking it, particularly where the baby hairs are. See what the difference a little bit of plucking will do to your lace frontal wig. So this is pretty much what I have done to the hairline on this wig. Now honestly, I wish I could put this wig in like a super cute updo style because I think it would be so cute. So here I am just trying to go in with a pair of scissors just to make sure there is no lace visible, and I've pretty much cut all of the lace off so that you don't see that it does not blend into my skin. So I'm going to take sections of the hair and flat iron the hair. And by the way, this is 22 inches, but I don't know the density on this wig because this is some pretty thick hair. It's definitely more than the usual 120 or 110%. This is a lot of hair, but I like that because you girls know I love me some full hair, and I'm also loving the color on this wig. It was executed perfectly. As you can see, the base of the hair is like this dark brown, and then it has these beautiful blonde streaks or highlights throughout the entire wig. Super cute wig. And so this is pretty much the final look. Now I definitely did not have to go in and straighten this wig because of the straight texture that it already had. However, I do feel like when I did apply heat and straighten the hair, it just added like more shine to the hair and made the hair a lot more straighter, if you will. But it kept that thick texture that I love in a straight wig, as you can see. So yeah, I'll make sure I have all of the purchasing information for Asteria hair below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys see how easy it is to transform a basic wig. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you girls in the next video. Bye.